Personal trainer Chris Arnett here, and I want to talk to you today about the benefits of circuit weight training and fat loss. Several of the workouts, or basically weight training styles today that are available today, often only target one specific area of the body, while many other of the areas are left unaffected. Well, this is not the case when circuit training is used as a means of losing excess weight. You see, circuit training also provides people with an effective way to tone muscles and lose pounds using a variety of resistance exercises that zero in on multiple areas of the body at the same time and are done in a continuous sequence or fashion. Now, since there are several advantages, let's focus on the benefits of circuit training for fat loss. Let me start by saying that various studies that have been conducted have proven that not only can training in circuits or circuit training be so effective that some individuals notice a reduction in body fat by as much as 3%, but is also an effective way to increase and maintain lean body mass. Now, this means that by engaging in various resistance exercises that are involved in circuit training sequences or circuits, you can take advantage of a greater loss of excess weight due to effectively being able to decrease body fat, and it will also build the strength and tone of your muscles. The result is an overall improvement in the shape of your body and the way you feel. Basically, you're gonna look damn good. Now, one of the biggest reasons that the benefits of circuit weight training for fat loss has become increasingly popular is the way in which the loss of fat is replaced by or with the same amount of muscle, and is encouraged by the resistance exercise or the style and the exercises that are involved. Now, an even bigger advantage is that the overall amount of calories used and the basal metabolic rate is increased because of the increase in the body's lean muscle mass. This means you are able to lose an even greater amount of body fat in a short amount of time, as my clients have done, and it is much easier to keep it off. As a matter of fact, circuit training is so beneficial for losing excess fat that women burn an estimated 5 to 6 kcal each minute, and men burn an estimated calorie expenditure of 8 to 9 kcal each minute during a session of circuit weight training exercises or sequences. How is this achieved? Well, there are several factors that need to be taken into consideration. And this would include the specific types of exercise you choose to use, the number of times they are performed, the tempo used, the load, the length of time they are performed, and the length of resting periods between each sequence. Now, one thing you want to keep in mind concerning fat loss benefits of circuit training is the more intense the circuit or sequence that you engage in, the more effective you can expect the outcome to be. And there are several variations, or so many variations that can be used, but one example of a circuit might include like 8 different exercises such as lunges, push-ups, jogging in place, squat presses, and various other exercises. Now, the old school way would be you perform each exercise for approximately 30 to 45 seconds and add a short resting period of about 15 seconds before switching to the next exercise. Now, I use a sequence of 15 reps, and I do something I invented called mini circuits. I'll tell you more about those in another video. Now, using a combination of upper and lower body exercise also makes the circuit more challenging and more beneficial for fat loss. Basically, you want to combine leg exercise with an upper body exercise. And that's what I do in my circuits. And I'll tell you more about that in our next video. Until then.